Tastes very Indian. Let's try the green chutney. Samosa with green chutney. Red chutney.
I don't know. Sinabay ko kasi ito eh.
Wait.
Ito lang muna para...
You like it? This is 50 pesos.
Hey girl, it's spicy.
Oregano.
Yung nilagay ni ate sa...
Mm.
Hindi kasama yung